shaky lines, stiff lines, no line weight, distorted and muddy drawings. These are some problems every beginner faces. Don't worry, it is normal. Just need to invest 6 minutes to this video to fix it, and you will see the improvement in days. Even when you start searching to fix your drawing mistakes, it is also one step towards your improvement in drawing. This lesson will teach you to draw confident lines and having a smoother hand control. And it is not a line art tutorial, it's more about confidence in line and smoother hand control. In this video I covered 4 essential points that every beginner should learn. How to hold the tool, how to move the tool, how to start or end a stroke, and how to recover from the mistakes. 2 ways to hold the pencil. One is very common among the artists, it is the writing position. And the other one I call holding pencil like a wizard's wand. Writing position is a very common position. It helps to give us crispy and sharper lines. If you are willing to move towards digital art, I would suggest to practice always in this position. And the second one is wand position. You hold the pencil like a wand, and this gives you access to different kind of line edge quality. This you can play around with soft and hard edges very easily. So let's move to the next point. It's how to move the tool. So till now we have learned 2 hand positions to draw better. Most of the beginners do this mistake, they use only finger joints to draw. But there are other arm joints that are also used to draw. We don't only use fingers to draw, we also use the other joints like shoulder joint, elbow joint and wrist joint. Depends on the size of the surface and the length of lines you want to draw. For bigger lines and bigger surface, we always use shoulder joint movement. If we are using smaller than that, we are using elbow joint. If we are working on a smaller page like A5 or we are creating smaller lines, then we will use the wrist joint. Now you have learned 2 points that's gonna help you to draw better, far ahead than a beginner's mindset. So let's move to the third point. It's how to start and end a stroke. Starting or ending a stroke is an art skill in itself. If we will not pay attention to how we start and end a stroke, our strokes or our lines will become shaky, messy, distorted and stiff. But don't worry, we will fix this with a technique called ghosting. In this technique we draw almost invisible lines over the paper till we feel the confidence to draw our desired visible line. Draw your desired lines over the paper without touching it, and when you feel confident enough, then draw a smooth and confident line. And when you start drawing these exercises, start with drawing circles, then try to draw C curves by ghosting technique, then draw S curves by ghosting techniques. You should also practice drawing straight lines by ghosting. And remember, using the right joint for the right stroke gonna help you draw better a lot. So now you already know how to draw the better strokes, cleaner lines, how to handle your tool smoothly. Now the last point, how to recover from mistakes. To be honest, starting these exercises, the result is not gonna be 100% as imagined. You'll have to keep practicing these exercises to squeeze the 100% result and become good at drawing lines. Let me clear that it is more about muscle memory. The more you repeat the actions, your muscles gonna remember the actions and it will become easier and flexible for you to draw. The more you repeat, the more you get pro at drawing the cleaner lines. I will suggest you to follow this minimum routine at least. Get better at your drawings. Draw circles every day for 3 minutes. Draw C curves every day for 3 minutes. S curves every day for 3 minutes. And draw straight lines every day for 3 minutes. 3-minute rule will make you good at drawing in no days. You don't need to practice this for hours long. Just grab your pencil and start drawing. Repeating will make improvement in your art. So let's step towards our dreams together. And remember, you are not behind. You are becoming something. So keep drawing and let's become our best selves. If this video was useful, consider subscribing my channel and share with your art friends. Thanks for watching.